really care what people say.
I don't really care. I don't really care.
Except love is the ultimate. Don't carry another person headache. Life is short, life is sweet. Life has no duplicate. I love my life, I love myself. Anything I do for myself. Anything I buy for myself. You're not the impression. Party papa,
Party papa,
party popo, party papa,
party papa,
party popo. Let's go.
party papa, party papa, party popo, party papa.
Baby, no, you no go, man. Baby, no, you no love you. I love myself, I want man.
Everybody want to share.
I love my life.
We love my life tonight. We are star.
I love myself. I don't really care what people say.
Ladies and gentlemen, they call me the PD, the podcast, but you know, this life, I can't please anybody. I don't like to please anybody. You they come and you they jealous me. You they come and you they envy me. You they come and you they gossip me. I don't care, I do what I like. I like what I do. I do what I like. I like what I do. I catch my cruise. I free my cruise. I smoke my poly and I feel alright. If you don't love me, you am up. I'm the baba, the body, the body, the body, baba, the body, banda. I'm the baba, the body, the body, the body, baba, the body. Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you say? Shut you do? Why you do? Why you say? Why you do? Why you do? Why you say? Why you say?
My life. I love my life. I love myself. I don't really care what people say. My life. I love my life. I love myself. I don't really care what people say.
Frank, I'm a fan on this one. They call me the PD, the farm, just where you know. If you don't love her, she can't use the bathroom.
Let's let her use the bathroom. Let's share this video before they use the bathroom. If you don't share this video, you can use the bathroom. Well, yeah, let's go there. I greet you all with that. Please share this video. Let's go. We are coming. I want to play music. Please share my video. Let this video get viral. Let this video go viral. If you don't know, you're gonna know, you're gonna learn, you're gonna I greet you all with better star. With better star, not with better star, not any other star, better star. God. I greet you all with better star. With better star, men, you better star at work. I greet you all with better style. With better style. With better style. With better style.
Amen. It's dead. I can never know. Mamie, no one will never get the body. Everyone get out there. Then you don't want to reach it. Ooh, I got a Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Sharon Okpamen. She don't know. Yes, it's so. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? Yageta momo nubiego gamare we ije ele mu. Baba ni ta me no we. They was our say, where you get the war.
What my music? Nearly call you where? I know.
I will lie. Do have the idea. Do have to think about it. And Sharon, I know you did. Why did you read your Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon? You when they do like say, you the business that you don't pass. You gonna do like say, I'm a young man, why you there? Who have Sharon? Who have what they sell your way? I'm a minute you when ya. Who you pass to do many, who wear, do a man for your bar. Ragmo, society. Sharon, my beautiful sister, may your soul rest with perfect peace. Now, you give me, I have you know. You got it, Sharon, yeah, she don't know. Sharon, yeah, she don't know. Sharon Okpamen. Why? Why so soon?
I'm not sharing the video. It's no longer time to cry. Time we want to cry and pass. It's time to fight for justice for Sharon. This is no longer time to cry. It's time to fight for justice. They live video. Me have to play music first before I receive any call. No distraction for the now. Let me through with my music. Music. Now it's music time. Wow, for the cane line. Hey, Baba. Hey, now we know. Muna help me call Izzy Omoruyi. Just the Izzy Omoruyi. Thank you for the star, my beautiful sister. What's alright here? One more to tour right here. This one is called About the Smile.
Angelele nado, wagi malele nado, una warage nado, ilelu wete baba o, agi malele nado, wagi malele nado, una warage nado, ilelu wete baba o. Galele nado,
Ashabi
nado mangalelo, benware nado, lelu wete.
Really sweet me.
Agimalele nado, ayagimalele nado, benware nado, lelu wete baba o. Alele nado, unengwere ni galele, ukana temata ni galelo.
What all?
Ande weki baba o, unengwere ni baba,
Kiyale no wanya yoro. Ase no kanu no go. Afyo bawe ya papa o.
Share this video.
Ogwo na lepo. Amume wana naga. Ogwo na lepo yo. Mama, ye kavile ni mosi. Ye natagata. Akame unwako. Ye kavile na mume wao. Yaroga yo ye. Asama le. Asama le. Ye kavile ni mosi wao. Yaroga yo ye. Ajalele no de. Mewere na de. Lelu wede. Na kwa bada la de. Na kwa kaveta levo. Mbaba le ya une wajo. Galewuna anana ni menyalele. Mewere lata.
Hello? 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 I greet you. Good evening. I did life now. Okay, I greet you, man. What? Oh, nice. The America, no what the nika. I greet you, man. Finally, finally. Finally.
My brother, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
It's only God that sees the heart. The joy in my heart.
Thank
for
you.
this your document, may God bless you. I said it before. I know. The only thing our people, lack of knowledge, they worry them. Documents, nobody they say the last person for abroad at all.
Exactly.
Nobody say the last person because we all come this Western world to come find greener pasture.
Exactly.
Some come here with green card. Some come here come also the green card here.
Exactly.
Don't they use our last person, And look at you now. You see, because I just want to really tell people, you are very mature in your of reasoning. Even now, some people among these presenters get this document now. They don't use and they insult you since.
Yeah.
They insult you since.
Exactly.
Because every little thing frank undocumented. Meanwhile, a lot of them are this social media presenter
Yes.
will not get
Documents.
But you can come like saying only you. Come on now. You don't laugh anybody. Don't be like who they laugh picking with laugh person
With picking.
picking matter. You don't get laugh person with picking matter. Those guys people say they laugh person. No man is God. No man is God.
Exactly. Thank
I
you.
give God all the glory for your life.
Thank
I am
you.
happy.
Thank you,
I
man.
am so happy for you.
Thank you.
Let God guide you
Amen.
and lead you and your family the right path.
Amen.
I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Thank
God
you very
bless
much,
my
man.
brother.
Wesley, thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
What's all? All right, let's from here go hit down. Let's continue. Yes, the truth is, see, I just be happy. I don't know. I don't feel jump up. I suppose they dance. I don't even feel dance. Whether now over feed you or over happiness, over drinking. I know they come about drinking because the mosing, it not even make me not come. The most is not the use of body or the saggy. You understand? You know. Anyway, they also now me supposed to celebrate to say they give me document. Now people come to celebrate me. People like how they celebrate me. People like how they carry me, they go buy me drink. I don't know why, but it is well. And this person do for this life, they do well. The way they do here, there's some people don't like me, they hate me. Man, now for your own opinion, be that one. Those who like me, God bless you guys. Because if everybody like me, I'm a bad person. You understand? For this life to balance, you must get haters and get lovers. And I also pray for my lovers. I don't pray for my haters. Haters is in oh, that's me for you. I'm not that kind of person that pray for my enemy to live long. He live long, by fire, by thunder. Oh God, I believe in suffer not a wish to live, but to go here, water. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a Christian of the better style. Still on Sharon Okpamen topic. Because there will not be or will not be any. You understand? So, who for me, next people will know the kind of food we in shop. That's the part I want to say. Really big thanks to all of you guys who are sharing my video. Please share this video. It is very important. And call Izzy Omoruyi, patient Izzy. No, we are more here. What's that done? The family of Sharon has cried out massively. It is no longer funny anymore. If you do, they can't see, when I come here, I will play the audio. The family of Sharon Okpamen don't cry, come out. This one won't be the one to say, we don't want to talk for live video. We don't want to talk for live video. We don't want to talk for live video. What did they go on? They go on. What did they spoil? They try to make sure so they arrange their home. So that we turn to social media matter. But Izzy Omoruyi, or Zen or the Webby, or busy or the family Sharon. Or busy or the family Sharon. Or busy Omoruyi or the family Sharon. Imagine this is me the family Sharon. This is now we are going to Ikata Izzy. And yes, Sharon will go release the letter. Now, Izzy Omoruyi is sitting down on the throne of Sharon. Izzy Omoruyi is feeling like a madam. He's feeling like EJ in the life of Sharon's family. Because he knows many things, he holds many things against them concerning Sharon's property. I've told you before, I said it that I'm going to be doing part 1, part 2, part 3. This is the way you do episode for Sharon Okpamen. The same way I'll get episode for you. And it will go straight to your mother too. It is not only you, it's alongside with your mom. Because when I go start my episode, it's going to be directly to your mother. Because this is your plan. It is not only you who are both in conjunction with this your plan against this family. My people, when I share this video, I will play the audio. We don't be like saying I'm in the talk. Before I go play audio, Izzy Omoruyi, Oze, when you are frustrated, when you are finished, when you are manipulated, Okpamen. Usalobwa Noel. Usalobwa Enikao. Ediendu or Noel Sharon. Izzy. My people, do you guys know say Okpamen Sharon elder brother not go, you know, go service of song yesterday? You don't go service of song yesterday. He not go as the beggar rich, as the better rich. The only sister where Sharon, where Okpamen gets by in service of song yesterday, the guy not go. Because why? Because of Izzy Omoruyi. Because of Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy saying the guy don't enter there until the family will come beg for us. Until the family will come go beg Izzy for us. May the go and the boy not legal, but Izzy go. The family now ask Okpamen to go to may they go. I'm waiting for the other church. What yeah, beg. See, nobody should come. If I did like that, there is no calling. Hello? You were watching my live video. You did watch my live video. You did watch me for live video. You did watch me for live video. When I sit down, All of now we get waiting to talk. Now you relax. They watch me. This matter, it don't spread with branches and edges. One thing is sure, and one thing I know. Sharon spirit is a very stubborn spirit. Now, spirit where you know if we cover. You understand? Sharon spirit, now spirit, no matter the juju where you go do, where you go fit cover that spirit. Because you never buy a spirit don't they fight. And a spirit Sharon here zan. E came and give more ball. The way Sharon, a spirit Sharon has go here like that. Come on. No give de e property Sharon ji. Runda le Sharon ki on mwen e kwe holele e family oge. Una we osoro. Una e no concerne Sharon. Ne Sharon li vene la bon. Una uno begwere. Nu sotanya a ogbano anu. E keje no. Ulule no ulule o ya iso se no boya ke ware. Ulule o ya ba Sharon be ni. Ulule e wa ya ba Sharon be ni. O serino o tenino no mi e property oge Sharon. Ni o keke de bia e wu na wo yo ma ni wo ba. O wona ho agbon o mo ya na. Wona we o ge wa o wa yu kwere. Ulule wa ya ba Sharon be ni. Ulule e wa ya ba Sharon be keke no. Be ni tell you. No book house e be moto. You understand? We're going to share this video before I start to play the family audio. Now, this woman, Izzy Omoruyi. Izzy na hame. Ona hame Okpamen get you. Unknowingly to me pronounce say, Izzy the friend Okpamen. On cold. Now, Izzy now is manipulate Okpamen against the mother. In your apart no go me go family na no come me o gba me gi nyeho iye na no de me ni eni zigi yo gba me ya kinya e be tamu wana ari mo gba me na mo ari gba me ari yigo ya papa gba me ari yigo papa gba me no gba me ko mu dia no ko mu dia wo u no ti on o gba me we la lai. Now the family has sick and tired. Izzy wa Okpamen no ma dia goze. Izzy lije amani Okpamen. O salobo o dazia baba o le. O no go ni yare ma mo. O ge mane bo wi. O ge mane ma va. O ge mane bo wi yore. Koma gino o go ni yare ma mo. A o gbanu wi, a o gbanu wuta, a o gbanu wa wi. We no Okpamen wa kinya Greek passe. We no Okpamen kinya Greek passe. Izzy na ti wa manipulate Okpamen. Ona ni Okpamen kede mu de no ya agwa. Now, he might go far into the property. Because our real property or Sharon. Any boom, not concerning Sharon. Izzy believe where nobody know. But Izzy, I'm letting you know now about what this man know many that you do. And I want you to also use your hand and your mouth to go tell the family. Before me, I will expose you. Before I will expose you. You understand? And I get proof. Don't play. You understand me now? I get a body you. Omoruyi Sharon. The report is now. Why don't you? Izzy a Facebook now. Emana kiyo. We are telling we mame. Nitiwe, I have your number. Nitiwe full. I can nitiwe full. My sister, nitiwe full. When not say nitiwe full. And we know you were total. Ye Sharon. Ye Sharon no see where ya we go with Facebook. Or where you made a story where we go with Facebook. Where ye Sharon ye gui. Ye Sharon ko Sharon for one Sharon that be. When Mati ye Sharon. O Maria Sharon bo. Nous y allons obligés. Nous y dans les gens qui nous y allons obligés nous y allons. On a caillé ko. Et ça nous y voulait. On a déjà eu épisode 1, épisode 2, épisode 2, épisode 8. Keni ya ou keni ya mau. On a déjà eu épisode. On a déjà oui. On a déjà oui comme bidia. On a listen on a share on a invite Izzy comments down. Izzy. I panique yo boss se kanu. O wo na ye kokobo no kase to je garakwa. When I cook bono case, or ye caraco. And you, and you, mammy, my name in a road to me. I come away. Una hati, Omo ya no e. Omo mu go to no. Una wo nyi ya to koi. To ta do da yo. Or see ye ni na ti we. Anything about you ahead is coming on me just straight down. Because you go man. Yes. Oh, you know where? Ona kin we mo kagbewo. Ona kin una wo na ga cheleti. Oh, you know where? Egbewe, ochiwe, ochira. O se na so dem here. Una kin una wo kagbe. Easy no your moji. Easy no your moji. A dead body will not be your own. I have one back there, I have your bossy. I have your bossy. Oh, you're a woman. Oh, see, only woman. Easy. Agbona dinibe. Udibezi. Udibi. Ekenu kame ime moja yesharoe. That time I will expose you guys. Now, go make it right. Now, what down here? Let me play the family audio. What down here? Let's start because I didn't start recording from the beginning, but we have record reach our player. Una for here.
Yamagwayo de mata. So but I want to control novelle le here. As I mean, my finish.
Now, the person when they talk so that the auntie of Sharon. You understand? You understand? Easy. It's between you and your mommy's house. The service of song that I did yesterday, right? On Saturday. Now listen. I'm going to be calling out all these stupid actresses and actors. This lunatic musician. Sandra Aigbogun, your attention is needed. Share this video and invite Sandra to this platform. It will sit down here right now. What we have here, Aigboyosa. Osai Noma, Esewi. Yeah. Aigboyosa is agency, no, not Aigboyosa. Osai Noma, Esewi. Karen Chabe, you sit down, Ross. Hello. I greet you. Attention is needed. The first time when you come my platform like this, I'm very, very welcome. Fine boy. Got a white master. Sit down. And what do we need? Name your Baseki. What's in here? Edogo, not Canada. Not Canada. Not show you love. What's in your Baseki? What's it in again? That bros. And you respect that guy well. That bros. What do they call that bros? That's how they call that bros. That bros. What do you mean? Name your Baseki. What did that bros did? That Shema. We talk. He talk well. No sir. No sir Baseki. Naina. Correct. No sir Baseki. Correct. Naina. I agree to no sir Baseki. I don't agree for you. Una give another life for me. What's that? Yet the name be water. Labodawa. Maybe where you the service a song. Water. Now, first of all, come here. Stay for line 1. Stay for line 1 at Toloko. Don't stay for line 1. Sandra Aigbogun, don't put line 1. Why are they line 1? Why the first person? My people, I greet you now with that style. When I listen to Sandra, the way Sandra do, me want to so. On Thursday of it, Sandra went to visit Sharon Okpamen, mother and the children. If I talk there, they show or something. Let me use this phone. Maybe we just chop and small, see the hot. I better want to share this video before I continue. Now they show proof for the talk. Now they bring out something. They give you so that I go there. My analysis is going to go where when I go there, understand where they go and where they come. You don't understand? Let's go straight to our sister, patience, Omoruyi. Let's go her page on there. She posted the video, the picture. This one, no sound basically, right? Sign on my show we. Okay. Hold on. Let's go down. And the picture I just need. Okay. Now this picture I need. Now, you guys see these pictures what they take for service a song. Now let's go far. Get place we say it is very, very interesting. We concern Sandra. We want to call out Sandra. Read that picture deal. Get the part we say Sandra carry Mimi. Hold on. Let's say now. Just not be Sandra page where you go direct. Akini no. Mama wuna nganya he. Salu boy. I say very umuno nemma. What shape you know? God, o my me look ba. Salu boy dazi. Oh. La bona dimibi. Oh, I also like you. Inika on the plateau. I also like I say Nigeria, but I don't no feel go no. Iriya ya u, ya se we boyan do afun be, ya like gbiyan we do ire we bo. Wa ya ba we se gin aso wa ne. Una get money. Also you need name man because I go to tell the truth. Una share the video. I want you to look for picture. Now Sandra, I want to talk to so shortly. I know waste time. I want to talk to Sandra. My sister, I need to just tell her one or two things before I will remove Sandra. Yes, yeah. Okay. This was Sandra and Michelle. This is what Sandra and Michelle, Mimi, wanna share the video. Beautiful. I've been listening on this. Now see that picture. This one is Sandra and Michelle. When Sandra go visit Michelle, mama for us, which is the grandmother, carry Michelle. Now I want to talk. Una know say the first saga will enter the social media. Now Osamede TV, now the first saga will enter the social media. With an insult on Mama Sharon. Who post that video? Sandra Aigbogun. This same woman, this same Sandra, now post that video alongside with Mama Noka Saido. Whether my children they operate in Facebook or not children Facebook, the damages what they make now what they talk about. These are the people that create damages on this media. Where we say the saga they see they exist now, it not still finished. Because if you have any ayaziri, these are the people who constitute nuisance about the death of Sharon. Now they are all evil people, all these people they so. Then they are pretense. Since they carry see like you know say Sandra they carry Mimi. They carry Mimi not like say they feel bad, say they don't see their colleagues. When I ask me, when I go check out Sandra, both Facebook and page, if she ever post the GoFundMe of helping these children, these innocent children, when she carries soul, if she ever post the GoFundMe that was created for these children, or assist these innocent children, Sandra Aigbogun, Aigboyosa, Nosa Obaseki, they never in their life posted anything that concerned these children on their page. That was in one. I want to ask, why were I do to the world? We be believe will be one. You people are hypocrites in the world now. Don't want you are for our own selfish interest. The way we are deceiving the money they put up. You make now like what? You make now jigoni what? You make now feel what? No, people are evil. The bad mindset of Nigeria will be more terrible. No, why do you for me like una say do you have the why have you order for me booze? You guys will go back to that same country and be acting evil. Now, where do I move ye? One move ye, beg of a palo. If you're going to want to ye, it got to be just for you to post. Show that you care. Show that you care. You guys never did. You guys never did. Now, when I'm going to hear the whole story, Sharon, they took Sharon from the church straight to the mortuary. These pictures you see they snap was in the cemetery. That same church was close to cemetery. See the church, see the cemetery. They have a boundary. Now they went to the cemetery to be taking pictures, thinking Sharon was buried already. And not literally we the people, and they banded people that are supposed to do video for them not to do video, and they themselves was doing video. They banded them not to do video, but they themselves were doing video. Put it to their page. Now, the Iyowa of Radio Emilia, the destiny of Radio Emilia, Izzy Omoruyi. When she came, and she even came late, and when she came, she fell down and pretending as if she was crying with her squad, with her members, and they start carrying her up. You don't do. Oh, you wanna listen? Let's go there. Share this video. Let's listen. What we hear? One play audio. Oh yeah, we have this video for them to go to. Yakba.
The mass. Me here be more like me get daji.
Now you know.
In magwa yo de mata. So but I want to control novelle le here. Agani mai ya finish the mass. Me here be more like me get daji. Me no ya plan with ya ni ya se ba ya ga vie ni ya dinge because me hewe emi ni ewuni e oge mata ogun agbon yewe ni yaji so ya da yu daji ni bani e me na ifi mo iladian na o wa pa le bo kan mo na so me na ifi mo ladian ina wa fi yan yi moto immediately na we ma oni ni amu a picture because ma ya ti oni a record mo na do amu a picture ina we heu eri ya vi an moto mana ipa so okay ke ire me na do abege picture ni amu the media yana do web na form of where e ba na bere Sharon yana do gbebu do amu ni picture we ke cemetery no read that very church in me because a church in the cemetery boy Bivani. So yana do muye ke da cemetery amu picture. Yana do video ye social media. Just to look where yes, yana gelere emana na with the burial. Yana attend to the burial. Me if you go make na jaji. Sandra a picture no move day Thursday borio wa we mimi am picture. Ona do ma post with that Thursday anywhere yere do Tuesday o yere do 12 we Sharon okay no post that same day ma post ona zingbe we yegi se service or song no na do ya mo picture ni ona do post e ba a picture no move we church okay ubega ebe kiniya do kadari wa ade na ya igwe na support God for me na kekebe the other account na relatian na haya kokigo kibena ya Sharon ariwa oge na imamio Facebook oge de Sandra Aigbogun na imamio o ma be sure yo ma anything okay even Okpamen no vije Okpamen no vije o maje bani kini mana kana we service osongina o majo neba odafime kekebe abiteme Iyana book ba me ari ogwai. Okay. Ba me uyere ma. We ma onga ha we service or something not na. Okay. Owuye ejo. Okay. Ba unu na joyi. Owuye ba mare. Iye akemye iye jo di an de drejo. Ahia ya imizi. Brother ba me o me o. Aweta ahia ya imizi. Ya imizi. Bina mana imizi ne. Ejo. Okay. Emieteme. Ado ya imizi. Izzy do come when we are here. Ekenana we negbe or Chingwe, the only sister you have in this whole world.
Okay.
Understanding?
Yeah.
I am another 30 Macman or America. No, we are not your temen or America. Or we have an only. I'm not your honorary like with man again with Bunamahia. Or one of me a joke, or Gayagi a gajo. No team many, nor America, not easy. No, him is your hammy a gajo dinjo.
No.
My man is easy, yaw, mammy.
No.
And then no Sharon Aragon. Okpamen visit them. Iyele wegbe.
Oh.
Naijawatch. Amana mi gbaju bogi wa no me.
Yo woko roligbe. Hey, easy. Atenitegbe. Itebe gbowe. Easy. Wa Okpamen. Easy. Wa Okpamen. Si Okpamen ailiyezi. Easy. Si Okpamen ailiye. Easy. Si Okpamen ailiye. Oh God. You wa je. Easy no your moji. Area sing go bijua. They drag you for your man. Why they drag Percy Pikin? Easy. Oh lo yomo. Oh jamai. Easy small money no nyamo. More money no nyamo. Si amwai no nyamo. More magie o. More magie no nyamo. More magie. Easy, no your marujo teme. Mama girl. Mama girl, no nyama. Mama girl. Easy. A mini man go away dahinia or my go away kidnap. Una wo Okpamen na gripa. We here we yakara. Why ya Okpamen na yes was wo. Maria o Maria. On your head to you. I want all your Okpamen or your zwa. Omo no Okpamen, omo ni ya mo zo. Awa ho emugu. Omasa ha mo zo no mako. Okpamen se mugu. Hello? I greet you personally. What a real video.
Congratulations. Domo.
What? Thank you. Let's see. Gege. You come on over here. What are you doing? Ìwé bọ̀ ní àti ẹ̀mẹ̀ ẹ̀bọ̀ ní wọ́kì mẹ́ o. Ẹ̀bọ̀ ní àti ẹ̀mẹ̀ wọ́kì mẹ́. Ẹ̀bọ̀ ní wọ́kì gbé. Adeshi. I want to sit on the hair. Let's see. Thank you. What? I enjoy this color. This color get vibes. This color, it get wet. And you're gonna talk over your baby. Now when I am baby, now I am more to now. Come on, you know saga. I want you to come with you, saga. I want to go out so big. But every nonsense, there is a sense. Franco Mozo, Franco Memman, do you? Was Ogunra boy, Akobera Kariwami Hiboy, Una Makobera Hiboy, Ogunra boy, Hiboy, it is not hard boy, Hiboy, Unabuya Hiboy, Franco Mozo, Hibim, Zalo. At the end of the day, now victory. Especially when you know that what you are saying here on social media is true. And girl, they go do at the end of the day. Isaga, Bobo, Zi, or Gu, talk worldwide, Rastamono. You see, no, that go on and get it go. What else? If I give you what else now? Because we are going higher. But what you don't touch, I will not give them the advice. They will go take it with us. But for public, you want from Duga, and I'm going to say, you didn't have the always say, don't play, you boy, jaw. Now, Izzy Wenerena. Izzy Wenerena. Eribu. Wayati, wow, Jesus. Wayati, Jesus. Hell, Wayati, Saga Kingstar of a really documented man. Saga Kingstar. Yari Baka, ne, or you buy off the big. Now, I'll be 5 minutes with ta. Now, a cinque anni. Grazie mille. That's what I say, grazie. My name let me hear this one, grazie. Who understand it now? Oh, what make me say? Hello? What already? Liwedo Bagbu.
It matter what one at the night way or one women. Lago, and now Sharon. I have been a Sharon. What I'm wearing a pitchy Latia. One will be cheesy Latia. I'm making a picture of my husband and easy carry.
What then?
It's easy. My husband not carry. Because they know we're better than I'm making up.
Yes. What?
It's easy. I'm not a picture. I'm more picture of Latia. And they don't carry. I'm more
no, how about it?
Because I'm a make one of the do there. The man only can do once a year now. They are more than 50 years.
Thank you very much.
Yes. And I want in this time of what? I want to easy. Because you're bad by your
Listen. Thank you very much. Listen.
Because I have here a couple who are here, if I have a guava,
thank you. Ouvions Beji. Where's man? God bless you. So, my people, I greet you now with better style. Easy. I'm not going to see the manipulation. Make I play. I'm not going to listen to the audio. In case no one analyze this video, make an pursue the audio play well. Yeah, you're quiet.
Not in many, not America, not easy. No, him is your hammy, gajo, dinjo. My man is Izzy Omoruyi. And then no Sharon Okpamen. Okpamen busy, them here level be.
Okay.
Naijawatch na. Amana me.
Oh, I call you.
A busy ziggy for and then the mother do the last meeting there only. It may record them in the matter because it may record the here do me to Okpamen so I pay for.
Okay.
In a okay. Oh, Hannah recording now. Me have a record.
Yes, that's true. And it's your come
so, the meeting in here, Anna Hammer, Larry Hamizi no backup, no a video no kaya no pame weather you. In our pano gago with video ni, you might be one there, near money, I will have where I would ya. No, ya de okay. Worry, Wagwalomani, where ya more one way. Emiama, who are you who? The Nigeria, ma support you when you who is so far. I'm here with day. Nimi ya man we ona kwejo with that first one. Second one, my wife okwejo go wojo agboya na lejo go babare. Awa so one na do we video no post here there ora wen yo gba mi. Ogi we video ni na ana ibeti we na ya we video be na we abegun ane abe mo log gbe mi ni. Ima ogo momo ye here. Ima ogo ozo ye here. Iye wa gi material.
After me Guane, automatically Sharon, you know, is it a yak not I asked him as is now near Kuyo.
Easy. And easy now. Get too much. And again, I'm a back off. I'm easy no back off of our family. Because of it was been now. The mayor no he go and no interfere in matter family man. It damages no, it's too much already. On a walk that day, on a walk more dog the table bar. Oh, woman of Passion Pamini, near Payake Nizije, easy, or Tieno, easy, and then no, easy, where I can die for easy. You have to think Wunizi. You know, Pame, you have to think Wunizi. Or to where we talk where my Wulele, or easy when you are Wuna. And I want to ma of it's too much. It's too much, and that's your time now. If you get my days when I want on way one. Okpamen, because easily our manipulator Ohana. Our manipulator Ohana. Oh, yeah, how many service or song go be job manome. But is in a diva. Ubege. Is in a diva. I have a way, me say. Any yes or not? Ah?
Oh, wow. I'm a magale you.
Okpamen Majo. I retene, or the familiar fierce that day. Or we enjoy all Bolesi Gavivani. And a woman, in a Pasia. Then, and then I am with Sharon Okpamen, I'm with Sharon Okpamen before Imoto Pakedo, you walk me plan again, near phone, massive phone. Then, ambulance in Sharon Okpamen. Then, you know what Moto Pana in Mary, any motor way I'm wearing, or this river, begging my river. Even a book man, maybe a river, almost your Patera Pan or Ravena, happy day. Maybe we have a home, Ravenaje, happy day in here, or the African shop. Eh, boy, no. That is Okpamen family.
Yeah.
Understand it? Any yake Ravena Bumajowa, Yanakevari church. Okay? I bet Alomaya, and also, Egbevia, where the man in Izzy Okpamen. No, but now those zoo are very yo. No, who. I go yeke or like, but I'm an easy ta. And an easy ta packet all women in Wadiana. Man, easy where, backbone. In a shadow is in Yaku, and Yara Goradmodeni. The mammy of Pamem easy.
Jaguar, it is stop it call now. What would they call me last video now?
Ah? The mammy of Pamem easy. I want near Naijawatch easy no one Pammy. On a one movie. Imagine easy yare. Imagine easy yare. Imagine easy yare. One of your family in a cureo. Near the family in a cureo is your Omoruyi. Not back up from our family. Yes, I love why we are not back up from our family.
What's it?
No, brother. Now we don't love because you can so as a standing. It's only until what they are telling on my wrong information.
Video not so. You understand? The video not so that immediately not so that I with the video. In a gear, the gear where Sharon, my better Sharon Italy, Sharon, after the service has sung, and I will be more mortuary. So from mortuary, I'm not flare in Nigeria. You understand? So, maybe I understand the way or not make that statement again. Self-love. A self-love, my understand, my man cannot have. It is self-love because you know about body self-love. Where the man here. I wear my you understand. So one time I was in a better Italian and Italian better. So that was the major reason why. So a problem is really maybe we about yeah we video understand.
Okay.
No problem about
that.
Papa. No wala.
Ave Maya did really do a picture neni numa mere mediani. E fake ya wahi. Ave no sa. Nick no we ke Canada reve ya.
Let me. Another one. Hold on. Finish on.
I do have what did the burial and was it the burial. All of this is all pure fake. Pure fake. Now we imagine ya 12. We met all the here. Ero take commercial of Parapateko. Ekia wet baby. Ekia wanagbo wet baby. And I am a Sandra the shadow came on a deliberate here in Nigeria. Ah? Esha no family many meguye deliberate the better one and the evil get Sandra. Una. Esha ana imele Sandra ma o ma set the way where are me okpa where ni ebe no be ya biegbe. No be ya biegbe ma ro ne Sandra. Naga mu ye media le boya tegeni. Oni ya gwalo. Le mo ya hawe o. Akale wa we mo fio. Na te mo fio no wi. Ah? Ebe na sha no pa no bega le ba ya no gele we mo ni abo se. Ah? O se ragbon na. Ah mi o se.
No see my sister. Baba. The bono wa nyoma. You go sit down and watch the listen. Not contribute.
No whatever.
O se ro ipa no na e do pegele ro. Izzy Omoruyi o west se no ma wo say. Awi ya ri e be bojo teme, e yo to me me. Awi ye ga when I ifo ni ari e be bo ye ri gide Sharon. E me no come ale ni. O ga mi opo. Ye to bi ya ve body e ma opa eva uwe matana. Ya ve body e ma opa eva uwe matana. Ami egbe wo ka agbo.
No whatever.
Waya wa do. Waya wa ko yo ye do uzomo. Do lo binu. Wa ahia kiri ora kan wo.
All right, man. What I do? Yeah, we love you, man.
What's the baba?
Eu.
All right, what's
O salo boa. Ah, mama o yule. Come no ri oni yen ya mamo. O ga me gbe mane. Oh, why na be at all? Oye ni asame yo toze. Koma ino ona weni yeri ya mamo moni mayeki ma biara mo ma yu gwa bie ikwo. Wani runa na. Oma na weni yeri ya mamo. O ga sunwu owie, o ga sunwu ota, o ga sunwu obe yowe. A o be gba no, o ga be gbe mane. Le tara mi aji. Ihe ogwa mo gbe na. Omo no hian ya mamo onya he. Hello. I greet you, Ross. Go ahead.
Okay. Baba, I need to know about my baby na ikamyon na Nigeria. Baby na no wasu na ikamyon. Ipala give my yegbi my way I give it down. Ikuma ya make it paribo so. Ya make it paribo.
Okay,
like now, or see my working.
Yeah.
Or team men or see me. In my way now, see me or team men or see me. Why Vama Kuvirio? Oh, see. No, it's a him do fear. Siki me girabo. Or see men or team men no see me. Where you see. Honor the match. There you go automatically. Honor the close with the best friend of you. You understand?
Yes.
Or Tiva, and your bunny, I have you Sharon, Papa, Lao, we will pass the message in a give Sharon. Honor, I think the message in a or beggar way. Oh, me from Salubaya West, or Monte time, easy or viva. Or Monte time, easy or viva. The matter about technical is so many about I get tired, so far the matter is going grand or you talk. I know so bad. I will buy a sulu. No man will lose it to picking because they can see me now. Omoruyi Sharon, Oma sees the palace. Oma sees the palace. Nizi Tori, Nari Begina, be. Nizi Rabo, Piva Family Puniri, You Sharon, Oma Tetan, we have value, Usalubwa, we are ready. You will see me, pa. The message I want to pass you, Domo.
Thank you.
Domo.
Yeah. If you do what you do, and do where every night I might hear Siva, who that we are body. You understand? First of all, if you look at Izzy, she's special Yahoo. Man, who we call. Hello? Yo. Yeah, mommy. I respect her. Uma não tinha mesmo. So vai do no ataque no ataque. I soldier. Yeah. Well, they know what. La later distract me. I will live video. Woman, I know you are important. I call you life. You never go and say, "Man, we want to hear what you want to hear." Are A, what is B? Are B, what is Z? Everyone I say is confusing. You never go to work. If I'm going to prove it, they say, "Why you understand?" I want to really understand. Yeah, change me really. Now, who do you imagine now? A Sharon or Ragmo? Here is his pharmacies. Here a Sharon is Izzy Okpamen. Yemaku. A Sharon Higune. Okpamen is the best friend of Izzy, not the boyfriend of Izzy. Now, he get why. When I go ask you why, he gets why. I did a video a week ago. I tell Izzy. You know Izzy. No, we are Mauji. Oh, we are not adopted Sharon with Denmark. What is the connection between the both of you? What is the connection? When I share this video, what is the connection between the both of you? You kept mute like if you don't bang. Or concerning Omoruyi Sharon, you kept mute like if you bang. Izzy, the same man who have a wife, he have adopted Sharon. Along the line, about 2 years ago, Sharon inherited everything that concerns the woman. Izzy, sit down. I go expose you and I don't I go expose you. Yeah, I kill what this one now. I kill G. No one go and Sharon do. Near my head. I go expose you. And who you have been boy now told you. If you didn't know anything like that, we are here boy. Oh, when Sharon, then when I calm down, what is you? All the plans of you and your mother, and I'm going to bring you guys to book. I'm going to bawa. Tag bon talk here bawa. Is where we now. Fine. She should be contented with what she have. Leave you and your mother should leave Charles and his family alone. Hey Sharon, bono adote wo kan pari awa. Ewi yan me na mo ne Sharon. Diamond no me, God no me, ana mo ne Sharon. Ana mo so bioye owo woni, ana mo ne Sharon. The Sharon ya dowa Italy. The Sharon ya dowa Italy. I've never been one talk before. As to the proof stubbornness, the reason why you see Sharon Izzy drag Okpamen close to herself, she have a plan to hit up the family to get everything that concerns Sharon. The plans of Sharon of Izzy is not gonna work. The only way the Izzy can fulfill her plans in the life of Okpamen family, which is Sharon's family, is having Okpamen